I've walked upright and trusted you. I've held your word through joy and pain, never let my faith grow vain. Search me, Lord, and test my ways. Look through my heart, through all my days. Your faithful love has led me right. I've walked in truth both day and night.
I don't sit down with tongues that lie, nor keep with those whose hearts defy. I shun the crowd where sin runs deep, and from their company distance keep.
With hands made clean I come to pray. Around your altar, Lord, I stay. I lift my voice in songs of praise and tell your wonders all my days. Lord, it is your house that I love, where glory shines and grace above. Don't take my soul with hearts that scheme and spill men's blood to chase their dream. Their hands take bribes, their hearts deceive, but I walk straight in what I believe. Your mercy keeps me safe and sound. My feet stand firm on level ground.
Among your people, clear and proud,
I will bless you, my heart unbowed.
search me, Lord, and test my ways.
Look through my heart, through all my